Don't miss out on Hostinger's biggest sale of the year. The Hostinger Black Friday sale is now officially live. It's time to score unbeatable savings on your Hostinger hosting plan. You'll save money no matter what Hostinger hosting service you choose, like shared hosting, WordPress hosting, cloud hosting, VPS hosting, and more. You'll save even more money than you see being listed here this Hostinger Black Friday and Cyber Monday season. You'll also receive a free domain name and 3 months free on the 48-month term. To take advantage of the Hostinger Black Friday deals, click the link in the description below to get your Hostinger Black Friday discount. I've included the Hostinger coupon code next to the link in the description that you want to enter at checkout. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus you'll get an awesome Hostinger Black Friday discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the Hostinger web hosting plans page. Click the claim deal button. You'll now be taken down to the Hostinger hosting plans. I'm going to show you how to get a greater discount than you see being listed here by using the Hostinger coupon code a little later in the video, so stay tuned. This works for all the plans like shared hosting, WordPress hosting, cloud hosting, VPS hosting, and more. Choose a plan you'd like. I'll choose the premium plan for this tutorial. You'll now be on the cart page. You'll see the amount it costs right here along with the subtotal and plan discount. To save even more money than you see being listed here, click the Have a Coupon code. Next, input the Hostinger coupon code I provided with the link in the description. Click Apply. You now see the new Hostinger discount amount with a greater savings. You see you get a free domain name with your Hostinger web hosting purchase. You see you get 3 months free with the 48-month term. The free domain name comes with any of the annual terms. Over to the left, you can change the term to what you'd like. I'll change it to 12 months and you'll see the discount amount for that term. You'll get the greatest discount on the 48-month term. The free domain name or any domain name purchases are done after payment in the Hostinger H payment. Enjoy your Hostinger Black Friday coupon code discount so you can save money on your Hostinger hosting purchase this Black Friday and Cyber Monday season. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Hostinger hosting tutorial videos.